We have around 50% of the world's telecom traffic going through our networks. Ericsson is providing telecommunication equipment and services to telecom operators who provide services to the consumers and enterprises around the world. For us, the key of collaboration with AWS is the eagerness and the interest of driving the technology landscape together. A big advantage for us when using generative AI technologies with AWS for managing telecom networks is that we can combine our telecom domain knowledge with a broader set of knowledge through tools such as Amazon Bedrock. In the pre-Gen AI era, the network degradations were predicted with classical machine learning methods. The engineers in the network operations centers were reaching out to us to develop a system that's proposing solutions to them because of the overload, essentially, of information when we sense that something is happening in the network. And if you only have 9 minutes and you need to search for the best resolution, it's very valid to use the generative AI tools to find the perfect solution just because the human capacity may be limited in that short time. And this is where the AI agents play a very important role. They can spawn a digital twin of the network. They can try different solutions. It will pick an action, and then the engineers can execute the action. It's really about the collaboration of these AI agents and human agents in the same system. As a computer scientist working with these things all my life, I kind of expected these developments, but I'm amazed at the scale of it, at the speed of adoption, and how well it works today.